Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to fix Canon G3010 printer P07 error. Okay, let's start the video. Press power button for power of printer. Okay, after power of printer, press setting button and press power button. Many people make this mistake to enter service mode. This is not right way. Now I am show you how to enter service mode correct way. Okay, power of printer and then press setting button and press power button, release setting button, and after this press stop button 5 times. Okay, now release both buttons, power button and setting button. Okay, now wait for a green light is stable. Now light is blinking. Please wait. Printer is entering in service mode. Okay, now light is stable. Press stop button 5 times. After press power button. Now printer is resetted. This is our confirmation. Okay. After this, power of printer. Now power of printer. Okay. Now power on printer and check printer is ready to use. Okay. Wait for this printer is warming. Now you see on screen printer is ready to use. Okay. Now check printout, press setting button and press black button for nozzle check. Now you see nozzle check print is come. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.